Hello, my name is Melik Afsari and this video is about my home server. This is Raspberry Pi which connected to my 1TB external USB HDD. I'm using this device as my network attached storage and as my little web server. Here is it. Here is my Raspberry Pi B Plus in handmade Lego case. Here you see my external USB HDD. I connect it to my home server via USB cable. Here is my 8 GB USB stick. I use it to store web server files, some like HTML pages and content management system of my website. So here's my Ethernet cable. It connecting this device and my 8-port switch. Right there. This switch is used to share local area network connection between the server, my testing PC, and my media center. And now I want to show you software part of my home server. After a few seconds you'll see a screencast from my computer. This is all. Goodbye.
And now we are continuing. Here is my desktop. Here's Google Chrome browser. I opened it for show you web server. Let's keep host name of my home server. This is host name is home server, and we are seeing this page. Here is my editor. This is little penguin with some tools. If I click this, I open my blog, my little blog about about something like Linux and another. Here is text. Welcome to Melik07's Raspberry Pi home server, powered by Raspberry Pi with Arch Linux ARM. Here is navigation buttons. Here's welcome page, main menu, services, about. Here is JavaScript terminal. Here is some text. Hello, my name is Sergey. I am schoolboys that educating Linux, and this is my home server. Welcome to my home server. My home server is Raspberry Pi with Arch Linux ARM operating system. This server works as my file share and as my web server. I'm using Arch Linux instead of Raspberry for for better work some services. Now here is working light HTTPD, some web transmission, and some many services. So I can't translate this faster than text is writing. You can open Google Translate and translate this text without me. This is text on Russian language because I'm from Russia. So yeah, so let's open main menu. Here is some buttons. Here's public files. They are SysLite, ComputerCraft emulator, some deb packages, Google Chrome packages of Love framework, and ScreenFetch. What? You must cancel it. Okay. There is software. There is Cracked Bandicam, Bumptop, Codec Pack, Lua for Windows, Transmission, Qt for Windows. Here is Win32 Disk Manager, GIMP GNU Image Manipulation Tool, Notepad++, Open Arena, VLC Player, VLMC, and another. So here's currently so many public files like Network Administrator Simulator and script to easy control of Minecraft servers. I recorded video about it on Russian on my channel. You can see it also. Here is some relevant files that here at the menu. And let's return to the main menu. Here is a link to Torrent downloader. I using Transmission Diamond. Here is my Torrent downloader. Here is my external IP address. There is it works at 1991 port. But it using password authentication and nobody excluding me can access it. There is a server web console. This is shell in a box. Here I can connect to my server. Now I try to do this, and I see bash. Let's open information name -8. This is Linux. Hostname is home server. Kernel version is 3.18.12 1 Arch. Here is the boot date. I don't want to say it. And this is kernel architecture. This is ARMv6L operating system name Linux. And so let's see screen fetch output. Screen fetch what? Sorry. No. I think it's sorry for sorry for this, but this I can't configure this terminal to show text not in black and white. Which so here is information. This is operating system Arch Linux. Kernel is ARMv6L Linux 3.18.12 1 Arch. Uptime is 1 day, 22 hours and 22 minutes. Packages is 251 total installed packages. Shell is really dangerous number. I don't know why it show number, but now I using bash born again shell. CPU is ARMv6 compatible revision 6 or revision 7. It shows what I said. What the hell? Sorry. This is so. This is just ARMv6L ARM processor architecture. Sorry. Here it has frequency 700 megahertz. Sorry. And this is RAM memory. That oh sorry. What did you think about I'm copy pasting this? Oh, it's not normal. Let's open my website. This is manikavasam.tk and see what it is about. See my little blog. It using one content management system. I don't remember the name of this content management system, but it don't using MySQL. This is blog of Melnikov Sergey. My nickname is Melnikov Sam, and I keeping it for I don't know. I just keep my nickname here. This is main page. Here's information about I am schoolboy and I am dictating Linux and here is information about I'm adding to this blog information manuals to how to configure some devices or how to configure some any things. So here's information about web server. This is photo of Raspberry Pi plate. This is Raspberry Pi Model B. So I'm now using Raspberry Pi B Plus as my server. My Raspberry Pi B is used as my media center. This is some information about CPU. CPU is AMD6L 1 core with frequency 700 megahertz and with 512 megabytes of RAM. With some links, I am in so this I'm in Contacte. Contacte is social network. So I don't know how Russian word социальная сеть is named on English. So here is just linked to me in Contacte and the link to many of my websites. And now here's not menu. Here is this interactive typing text terminal. This terminal is written on JavaScript, and one not good guy copied the script from my server. Let's see here. download.rcpc.tk. This is this is also website of one schoolboy from Yukovsky City. He is recently copied this page from me and modified it. Let's see his site. I don't think it's interesting, but it's rendering faster than my site. He's using better device for but current video is not about it. There is some pages about sample of configuration for light HTTPD web server. Here is post about my Minecraft server controls for my script to easily initiate and stop Minecraft servers on Linux or another Unix like operating system. So here is some other post. This post is about clips about Portal. This is clip by Harry 100k. This is Aperture.
Everybody run, everybody.
It's stored on my web server. You can see it here. This is my IP address, storage, HDD video, clips, portal, and name of this clip. Let's see. Let's go here. But this is storage of my HDD. It also has LF in my web server. Okay. Let's go to the technical details. Let's open SSH client. I'm using put to as SSH client because this is free and open source. Let's connect. Now this is granted. We are seeing my start with my nickname and And welcome text, welcome to my League of Raspberry Pi computer, powered by Raspberry Pi with archives or information about last login and about IP of last login. This IP of my mobile phone. I have some internet on it, so let's continue. Let's see df minus hash output. So we are seeing the information about I using /mnt directory for mount some file systems. So my USB stick is mounted on /mnt/data, and my HDD is mounted to /mnt/HDD. And now let's open Midnight Commander and enter /mnt. mc/mnt/mnt. This is data. There is data, molecular sum, and triple W. This is in triple W is that of my site. This is debiancc.molecularsim.tk, molecularsim.tk, and service. At service, we are see just no domain directory. Here is pages about example, index, menu, services, and pictures. And HDD, we are seeing my HDD. Here is distros. There is distributions of my drivers, games, operating systems, and software. In operating systems, I have images for Raspberry Pi, Windows distributions, Windows XP SP3, Best XP. This is Windows 7, Best XP release 11. Release 14.11.4, if I remember it. This is original Windows XP SP3. So here's Unix operating system. Here's Android x86. Here's Android 1.6, Android 2.2, Android 4.0 RC2, Android 4.0 RC1, and so many other. I don't record this. Here's Chromiction, Debian 7.8, Debian 8, Ubuntu 14.04.2, Manjaro, KDE, Manjaro XFCE, My Ubuntu, GMA 00 final. This is Ubuntu distribution for compatibility with Intel Graphics Media Accelerator 3600 video cards. This is distribution for my netbook. It has really not lucky video cards. Intel not released normal drivers for this video card. There is Sinclair OS Ubuntu 15.04 desktop and X Ubuntu 14.10 and X Ubuntu 15.04. That's all. Here is just social distribution. And here is downloads. Here is downloading my some videos and and here is downloading. Here is path to download torrents using Transmission Diamond and some files. Let's open mirror of one's website. Oh no, let's go to YouTube and Let's download some video to my server. I know how to do it. So here is one reply. I read it later. Let's download the network technologies. Let's see download with widget UI Lite. Task edit successfully, and we can do something like this. Yes, wireless Wi-Fi, about email, about routing, about file transfer protocols. What this about domain name server and some another. Let's see. This is some really really interesting channel about one really interesting man, but he's left to YouTube for some reasons. So let's select videos about network technologies and download it. And so after some modifications, you see it is downloaded here. Oh, yeah, it's downloaded. Let's see that. No, it's need to download. Let's open my computer. RGB I using Samba to connect to connect to RGB using typical Windows machines. Let's open downloads, and here is CTV technology, network technologies, DNS, email, FTP, SMB, NFS, routing, and wireless file. Let's download. Let's download network technologies about Ethernet, about L1 layer of OSI model. And now we download it, and after a few seconds you'll see this. Let's open it from that. Let's see where is it. Ethernet. And after a few minutes,
Привет всем! Вы смотрите второй выпуск из цикла «Сетевые технологии».
and it successfully downloaded. Let's wait while it preloads something. Oh, sorry, I taking this video to the full screen, but I mustn't do it. This is
Привет!
let's close video. So it opened and it's really normal. I can move it from this directory to another place, but now I just remove it. Click delete, and it never exists here. This is a better addition to my server. I want to say big thank you to man that released widget like GUI to on Hubber Hubber. Hubber is one information technology resource. Hubber.ru. This is really interesting Russia IT resource. And now it's not interesting for time to time. Let's close Midnight Commander and see something on the Let's OS minus LA-/MNT. We are seeing this directories is available for all to read, write, for for owner it's available to read, write, and execute. For group for users in group storage, it's available to read, write, and execute. And for and for all other users it's available just for read and execute. This files is owned by Molecular Sim and Drop Storage. And let's list some HDD directory, and let's continue here. Let's see this data. It used for, but it used for just security policy. So I has some just guest level user. It has another. It has another name than anonymous. It has another name, but it has a password. But this user has permission to read and write in something else than /tmp. Let's open it here. This is my server molecularsim.tk. Here's rootfs root file system. So after the users just can open this. Windows just ask authentication, but now I'm authenticated. Let's open this from another address like home server, and you see authentication. Windows security policy, enter network password. Please enter password to connect to home server. User password, domain, remember, and information about current user, and the password is not found on the server. Or what Windows think about that, I don't know. I just don't know how it named on Microsoft Windows, but I don't like some these user interfaces. I also mounting the network file systems like this using netmount script, using batch file at autorun. Yes, let's open autorun. Where is my autorun? Autorun. Here's autorun. This is netmount.sh. .bat. Netmount.bat. This is batch file that mounting this network file systems on user login. So this is just on client part, but on server part they're working like HTTPD as server, and Samba as SMB protocol server. So I think this is all, but that's not all. Here I have the PPTPD server. PPTPD server. Let's connect to, or this protocol also names as virtual private network, but PPTPD is not VPN, but it working as tunneling protocol. I don't know how to use PPTP protocol on Windows, but now I tried to show you this, but I can't show you it on Windows because I don't know how to connect to PPTPD on Windows. So let's see. System current load. This is 6 persons. Near 6 persons. Here is sound transmission done, but I wasn't downloading something yet. And here is a swap file. I haven't swap file because some memory isn't used. Look, here is 432 megabytes available, but system using just 72 from this. This is all. I think this is all. what I once said about that. This is really just a typical Linux home server, and I don't think about this is geniusly or something better than other, but don't. But let's remember, I created it, but I have just 13 years old. I am 13 years old and I configured and built it. This is network, network attached storage, and my web server is also, this is just one machine, but that's all is configured by myself, by me. I speak English very bad. Is sorry, very bad. I speak English very bad, but I just try to speak using this language. No, but I think I think this is all. Now I just want to stop this video and use Melody Editor to edit my voice. Now I think you listening my voice in modified computerized with modified computerized effect like GLaDOS from Portal 2 and like other robots, but I'm using the Melodyne editor for editing voice and Audacity for recording voice. So I recorded intro using Audacity. Intro is here, introduction audio. Let's see.
Hello. My 18 gigabytes USB stick. I use it to store web server files.
Yeah, I think this is all. Goodbye.